Hey yo, what's up guys? So in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your location to your DoorDash application. So to begin, you will open up the DoorDash application. Once you're in the app, it will automatically tell you to add an address if you haven't added an address yet. So if you have already have an address and you want to change it or add a new address to that, I will show that later in this video. For now I will just type in something. I'll type in Alabama. So this is select a random location for now. Okay, so you can just type in your apartment number or like say app, and I'll just type in some code or something like that. Okay, now as you can see, we have successfully added a new location to the DoorDash application. So if you want to change or add a new location to the DoorDash application, what you'll have to do is click on the top left corner, and now you can see the search for an address option here. You can like edit an address, use your current location, set home address, set your work address, and everything from here. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.